Assets. My name is Zach. Here with us today is a 2021 Audi Q7 Premium Plus. This is finished in Carrara white. It's equipped with a turbocharged 3-liter V6 engine with an automatic gearbox. Start over here at the driver front wheel. And as you can see, great shape, no curb rash. Actually, if I'm just nitpicking, there's a little spot right there on the spoke of the wheel. But overall, really good shape. Continental cross contact all season tires. Back here at the driver rear, really good shape. A few little light scuffs there near the lip of the wheel, and a few little scratches there next to the valve stem. There's a little spot I just saw here, right on the driver rear door. Small little spot out of the paint. It's equipped with rear collision mitigation, Audi side assist, blind spot monitor, and 360 view camera system. Back here at the passenger rear wheel, this one has a little more damage, just some scrapes up there on the lip and on the spoke, and a little scratch going down that spoke as well. Little spot there. There's a little spot over here, scratch on the rear bumper, just behind the passenger rear wheel. And finally up here at the passenger front. This wheel's in great shape, no curb rash and no scratches. Just below the Audi logo, there's your front view camera. And on the mirror housings, you've got your side view cameras there as well. Take the interior, we have a Metro Gray leather interior. Got Bang & Olufsen premium sound. Got climate control settings back here for the rear passengers, and 2 USB-C ports underneath with a 12-volt charger. This does have the third row seating. It is folded down, and a nice big panorama sunroof. Up here to the driver front, got driver memory settings, power folding and heated exterior mirrors, power adjustable driver seat with lumbar support, nice big digital display there in the center. That is a haptic touchscreen. Does have Apple CarPlay, dual zone climate control for driver and passenger with 3-stage heated front seats. Multifunction steering wheel. And your Audi virtual cockpit. This is your fully digital instrument cluster. You've got your navigation that you can have on the screen, as well as radio stations and vehicle information. You can also change the view, make the speedo just a little bit larger. There you go. And then you can also do the same with your navigation. You can have your speedo just a little bit bigger, but still have it in the center of the screen. And down there at the bottom, current mileage 53250. All right, folks, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to give us a call. You can reach us here at 614-793-1050. Tons of photos of this vehicle on our website. You can check those out at autoassets.com.